Same freaking hole.
Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to do a fun one. We're going to the range with the 30-06 with the 175 grain Terminal Ascent, but we're not shooting the factory ammo that you see in front of you. We're going to fix the factory ammo, make the Terminal Ascent great again. What I want to do is pull these bullets, which I have pulled most of them, and load it up with N550. Today we're going to do a ladder test. And then if we're not seeing signs of pressure, I did load up a few loads to kind of see ballpark range of accuracy. I'll just say this, the factory ammo, I really love the Terminal Ascent, but with my findings with most guns, factory Terminal Ascent ammo is kind of subpar on the accuracy. So I'm hoping to fix that in this little mini series I'm going to do with the 30-06. The goal, let's just get sub MOA with this. In this specific rifle, this 30-06, it will usually put two together with the factory ammo and then one out. And so it's kind of meh on accuracy. And the velocity is pretty meh. I'll show you today how fast it's going. What I want to do, the goal is mid 2,800 feet per second. All right, here is one of the bullets that I've loaded. You can tell that it's been a pulled bullet. And we are seated out further. So I've loaded these fairly close to the lands to hopefully help with accuracy.
All right, we're just going to get a baseline of velocity for the factory ammo.
Still $2. When I went and I was ate breakfast, I thought, okay, we're way over to where I needed to go.
It's way faster than I thought it'd be.
Got Hawaiian.
Up next, the hand loads 52 grains. We'll see what it does. Next up is 53 grains.
That box is full of them too.
I like these orange ones best.
Well, good thing I piled all the rainbows. We'll sell the rainbow.
2884.
First time being to this range.
All right, due to how fast this is going, this is going to be my last one. This is going to be well over 2,900 feet per second. 54 grains of N550.
Sign here, pay here, give you a safety brief, and turn you loose.
You guys want to take cash?
So we got about 25 minutes.
Okay.
before
You guys want to take cash?
2938. Okay, we're now going to start the first groups. It's going to already start a little hot, unfortunately. 53 grains, I think it was going high 2,800 feet per second, so we'll see how it shoots.
Yeah, it's just a big one. Let me have you set it. I think you got. Okay, and then when you're done today.
My son's name as well.
Yeah, you both have to sign in if you're both. Actually, if you're on the ring, whether you're shooting or not.
Well, we brought two. So
That's fine.
I think I'm good for.
Okay, first group.
So driving.
Pretty hot. Average velocity 2896. SD of 10. Well, that went about as well as I thought it would go. That's what happens when it's going over pressure already at 2896 feet per second. So in part 2 of this series, we're going to back off the charges, try to keep it around 28 to 2850, but I'll show you the group here. It's not that very good. Yikes, that's the group. As bad as the factory ammo is, well, this isn't any better. So it's honestly about the same. All right, probably shouldn't shoot this group, but it's on 54 grains of N550. This thing's going to be smoking fast. Probably not accurate. 2928. Same freaking hole.
What's your phone? And then you need to reload it.
Okay, average velocity of 29. well, basically 2940 feet per second. SD of 12, not particularly great. I put 2 in the same hole, and then the third shot, it's relatively close. I'll show you in a sec. Well, that type of group at that type of velocity was very unexpected. Now, it's not that great of a group, but I think it's around MOA. I'll show you. There it is. I'm guessing that's right at 1 inch, maybe a little over, maybe a little under. Really not bad, all things considered.
All right, here we are. Official measurement, right at MOA, 1.04 inch group, which is MOA. All things considered, guys, Terminal Ascent in a very cheap, crappy Savage Axis rifle. This is pretty awesome. Now, I understand this is just a 1 3-shot group, and I also understand this is quite a bit overpressure, okay? That is absolutely moving for a 30-06 Springfield. Hold on, I'm going to do the math real quick. Let's see how much foot-pounds of energy it is. Hold on, I'll be right back. Yep, that's 3,359 foot-pounds of energy. That's just silly. Okay, so one of the fun things about hand loading is doing this kind of stuff in a 30-06. Okay, let's take a look at how fast the 300 Win Mag factory ammo Terminal Ascent is going. All right, so 300 Win Mag, 175 Terminal Ascent, factory ammo is 3,030 feet per second. I thought it was going to be 2960. For a lot of 300 Win Mag factory ammo, that's kind of where they set all of their ammo velocities with so many companies, 2960. But still, this is only like 90 feet per second slower than a 300 Winchester Magnum. Just awesome. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, is just how overpressure this is. It's a lot, especially with the 22-inch barrel. It wouldn't be as bad if it was with a 24-inch barrel. Am I going to shoot this again? Or probably not. If I shoot this in warmer weather, it could blow a primer, or, it's just not good. So going forward, we're going to pull some more Terminal Ascent ammo, and we're going to drop this down a bit. I want to see how accurate this can go, 2,800 to 2,850 feet per second. So if you want to see more of the 30-06 175 Terminal Ascent with N550, please go ahead and subscribe. We will do some more testing very soon.